industry now is prioritizing and adopting AI-powered technology offering transparency, speed, predictability, improving management, visibility, streamlined activity, ultimately delivering an improved AI. What we experienced 3 years ago when the world stopped. I lost a lot of people during that time. I'm sure some of you did as well. The world stopped. And the supply chain got messed up. Everybody remember all the ships that were, it'd be just weeks and weeks and weeks. That will never happen again as of today, just with the infancy of what we have with ChatGPT and AI. Where does it fit in your dealership? Do you believe that right now, this technology, in addition, just for the little bit I showed you, do you believe it exists in your dealerships right now? It's everywhere. Everywhere. The benefits of using AI in the dealership. Here's some. How to implement AI in your dealership. Examples of dealerships successfully using AI. Chatbots, virtual assistants, predictive analytics, image recognition, personalized marketing, and autonomous vehicles.